Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So today I was going to do a what's in my bag. I am in my beautiful new Vera Bradley set, and I thought, let me do a what's in my bag. That's why I brought out some of the pieces I'm using, like my Coach pieces and stuff. But then I got some more packages. So I'm going to open one of my packages. Push it over, Robert, like that. So either this one or this one. Let me see, depending on the weight.
This one is heavier.
That one's
This
heavier?
one's heavier, yeah.
Alright, so let's do that one first. Here. So thank you to everyone who commented on my picture in my community page of all the boxes I got. Some of those pieces are for next month. Next month I'm going to be doing a more green themed. I'm going to showcase all my green bags and new pieces that I bought that are green. That was in a couple of the boxes. You are all welcome to join me here on my month of green, since it is St. Patrick's, and it is I think it's Easter too. Is it Easter?
Yes, it
Well,
is
it's
Easter, yeah.
closer to-
We're getting closer to Easter, yeah.
So I thought it'd be fun to go with the green theme because I do have a lot of green bags as well, and I ordered more. So I have 3 new green unboxings for you guys for next month.
It is more of a St. Patrick's Day. I think
St.
that's
Patrick.
closer to, yeah.
Yeah. So and then I'm gonna be doing more my dailies wearing my green bags. I did a couple already for this month, but for all of you who haven't seen some of my green pieces, it'll be fun. And to my YouTubers here, if you want to join in, please do. I know a couple of ladies already said they will join in. I'm excited. When you do a green bag or something green and unboxing and you tag me, I will share it in my community page so everyone can see your green bags as well. So, still February though. I did get a lot of fun deals on my February finds, and I wanted to show you guys. So I have now, I think there's still 3 or 4 pieces. I don't know if they're in the boxes or in here or in that one. So I am missing 4 more pieces I'm going to show you guys. So I'm hoping they're in one of these. So yeah, right now, sorry, on I Love Dooney, they have a really nice sale going on. It's called Gift, and they had some nice beauties on there, and I thought, why not try it? Because these are pieces I haven't seen, and I don't have like my Bella here. Thank you to everyone who watched. I am keeping that one. I ordered a new one. It was still available. It's going to be sent directly to my daughter's friend, Bella, so she can open her own and have her own experience. But I've never seen that Bella in person, so I'm keeping it. It's going to make a wonderful, amazing wallet for me. I love that. Thank you to everyone who watched it. So we have 2 pieces in here. So these are also great finds that I found that are really a good deal, guys. I wanted to, I have to show my address. I wanted to share some really good deals this month because sometimes the bag of the month isn't that good of a deal. Although they're beautiful, I collect them just because they are the bag of the month. So if you do buy it just because of the bag of the month, it's a great bag. Thank you to everyone who's watched. It'll be in the playlist on the bottom if you want to go see all the bag of the months I've done. But I didn't think it was that good of a deal for the small bag. So I went searching for like nicer deals that they're doing on the Dooney website. And of course my Bella was a fantastic deal. And now I got 2 more to show you guys. And if I tell you the price of these, you're going to agree that these were a better deal. Look, guys. So cute. So on here I have some more pink pretties for you. Look at, put this down so they can see. My pretties for you guys to look at. This is something I'm doing now where I'm showcasing on my new table that my son got me. I have more room to showcase some of my pretties that I didn't really fit in the wall, the ever-changing wall. So this guy here is a former bag of the month. This is in the color Orchid. It is a dome satchel. It's in my playlist. This also is a fuchsia Greta. It's a dome satchel too, but the large dome satchel. This is his piece, and this is a Lexing. What am I saying? A Lexi. That I like to use as a wallet. You guys know I love to use my Lexis as my wallet. And I put it here. It is in that beautiful hydrangea cream color. I have ordered a large hydrangea cream. I want to say a Nelly because I love that bag. I'm hoping one of the boxes that came is one of those. So I'm going to try to do all these unboxings of the pink stuff, the Valentine stuff in February. I know there was a lot going on my channel. I did as I wanted to do. I wanted to be active this whole month. And it's been crazy active. Thank you to everyone who's been watching along. I have my Monday throwbacks. People have been watching. Thank you. I have my dailies that is going up. Thank you so much to everyone who's been watching those. And I've been doing a couple of more unboxings. This isn't something that will continue. I always say I'm not going to buy so many things throughout the month. But so far, I already have 3 unboxings for March. And then that'll be 4 if we include the bag of the month. So I guess I didn't really hold back, did I? And then, like I said, this is so 1, 2, 3. I think we have 3 more, including this, for February. I'm going to try to squeeze in there, guys. So this is some cuties I put up for you guys to look at. Of course, my reds, Valentine. Everybody loves the reds. Let's jump into the bags in hand. Now, I also collect the Greta pieces. I don't have any of this color, Greta. So when I saw them on the sale, I was like, I need to pick these up. So this one is Bordeaux crossbody pochette. My daughter likes the pochettes. She has a lot of the nylon pochettes. She loves them. So I probably could do a video on my daughter's collection.
That'll be fun.
She has a lot of bags. She just has them all being used at the same time. You know, she's a teenager. Some stuff in one, some stuff in the other.
Yep.
I mean, they're not like empty and on display. They're all over the place.
Yeah, they're being used. They're not being displayed.
So she uses them like weird way. Like she'll take one to school. She'll take one when she goes out. She'll have one in the house just hanging there with her stuff in it. I mean, it's really weird. But I think she has enough to do her own collection. I think we'll do that. We'll try to see if we can coax her into it. But look, guys, this is the pochette, like I said, in the Bordeaux color. It's so beautiful. Crossbody. Look at it. I actually ordered this for me because I don't have any of the Greta in this color. And I wanted to add it to my collection. Now, the pochette, do you know how much I got this for? You're going to be like, what? It was $59.99. Now, tell me that's not a great deal. Tell me that's not. I've never seen a Greta for that low. And the fact that it is a popular little bag that everybody loves. This would have made what it is.
Want me to show it?
Yeah, a little closer. My son, guys, helping out. Look at the color, guys. That is the Greta Bordeaux pochette. Show the bottom. No feet. It is a crossbody. I will undo it for you guys to see. So that means it has that strap that can be adjusted to your height and how you like to use it. It is the 2-piece. So the only thing I don't like about this is that you can't remove it. Well, you can. I will, because I'm going to cut it off. If my daughter doesn't take it, if it's going to be in my collection, I'm going to cut this strap off. Because I have other straps I can remove and put back on. I like those. But look at this. What did I say? $59. Can you believe it? For a beautiful Dooney and Bourke bag. I don't know when this video is going to load, guys. My apologies if you missed it, but it is under the sale that is called Gift. Now, I did notice, like every week, they change the items on that sale. So don't wait when you see something you like being shown by one of us. Don't wait, guys. Go pick it up. Inside is red. It has a key bob. It has a flap on this side. And then on the back, it has actually a zipper pocket. Look at that. So cute, no feet, nothing. Very basic, beautiful, plain. This is just a bag for on the go. Teenagers love this, moms love this. Women and men who don't enjoy the bigger bags because they're too heavy love the pochette. Any kind of pochette you get is a nice usable bag, but to get a Greta for $59, I think that was fantastic. I had to get it. I had to get it. I know, don't blame me. Okay, next one I got. This is why I have my Lexi here, because I've never seen this bag in person. I want to compare it to my Lexi. It's called a Slim Crossbody. Yeah, that's what it says, right? Slim Crossbody, guys. That's what it says on paper, and the tag. And this is also in that Bordeaux beautiful color. Now this one I got for $69.98. Again, fantastic. Now if this has the straps that can be removed, that would be great, but no. I was gonna say I could cut that one and have the straps from this to use. Now this one also doesn't have the removable. Okay. So look at it, guys. So it is tiny. Again, this is called the Slim Crossbody. Same color. So I guess one of them my daughter could take after I'm done with it. So I did want to compare it to my Lexi. Okay. So here's my Lexi. Let's see. It looks exactly the same. Same measurements, yes. Same width.
I mean, it has a pretty big difference. The pattern is not the same, but
no, besides the coloring, yeah. But oh, I see the difference now. Okay, so in the back here, this has
a back pocket,
a zipper pocket. That's the only difference that I see so far. Since I love my Lexi as a wallet, I'm assuming this is gonna work great for my wallets. Now all I have to do is find a big bag like this to get in this color. We'll see. I'll have to work on that. Yeah, this one has the same strap, guys, as the other one with the removable, adjustable. Well, not. So this one is a three-way. Oh, nice. This is a three-way one, so you can move it. So this one has two, and this one has a three-way. Okay. Look at that. How beautiful. It does have a tassel in the front on the zipper. Inside, guys, let's take a look. I mean, how beautiful are these Gretas? I have almost every color. This is the only color I didn't have. Okay, so on the front pocket, you have 3 spots for cards. I don't know if you could see it. You guys can go like this and put me forward, right?
Yep.
It has a key fob. On the back here, it has a slip pocket. And then, of course, the back pocket. So the inside was the same as my Lexi. It's just the outside, this very important pocket. Yeah, this is a nice feature. This is going to be my newest favorite. Well, I don't know. It's going to be a tie against my this one, against my Bella. Let's do the size comparison next to the Bella.
Yep.
They're pretty much the same size. Yeah, same kind of size. Okay. But of course the Bella has more compartments because it's a 2 of them stuck together, but it's thinner. So there you have it, guys. My video for today. The unboxing of my newest cuties. My Bordeaux Greta pieces. $59. Fantastic. $69. Incredible. Don't miss out, guys. Go check if they're still available. Again, it was under the code gift for, of course, February, Valentine's month. Look how cute. All the different Greta. I love these Gretas. If you like to see more of a Greta collection, my friend on here, Denise, Indubitably Denise, I'm going to tag her on the bottom, guys. She has the most incredible Greta collection. She collects actually the navy or the dark blue. I think she has so many beautiful pieces. So I will tag her on the bottom so you guys go check out her collection if you want to see the Greta, more Greta pieces and the dark, like the dark blue one. I think that's what it's called. It's either called navy or blue. I'm not sure. But she has an incredible collection, so I will tag her. So thank you guys. What do you think? You like? Incredible. And I will see you guys in the next video. I have another unboxing coming up. Maybe in a day or two it should load. So thank you guys. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.